Hey guys, Doc Heps. So, do you think your manhood is just toast after a vasectomy and that you won't be able to perform like a real man? Well, I'll give you the scoop, so stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Dr. Heps. Are you one of those guys that think that your manhood is just toast after a vasectomy? Or maybe you're worried that once you get a vasectomy, you won't be able to perform like a real man again? Well, I'm here to answer those questions. Do my testosterone levels, libido, and sex life tank after you get a vasectomy? And let me tell you, wrong and wrong. There are only a couple of things you can do to improve your sex life after having kids. One's sending the kids to grandma's overnight. The other one is get a vasectomy. I say it all the time to my patients. Once you get your vasectomy, your libido, your erections, your sex life should only get better because you don't have to worry about having another kid. The testicle does two main things. It produces sperm and testosterone, and they're totally separate. So there should be no effect on your testosterone after your vasectomy. Your erections are also not affected. The vas deferens, which is this tube right here, is totally separate from the penis. The blood supply is totally distinct and different. So having a vasectomy should not affect your erections. Also, some guys are concerned that they may notice a change in the fluid in their ejaculate, but I always tell folks, if you notice some sort of change in the ejaculate, you're looking way too hard. Two structures, the seminal vesicle and the prostate, make up the vast majority of the fluid in the ejaculate. Those structures produce fluid so that the sperm can survive while it's trying to find the egg. The testicle produces a minimal amount of fluid, so it shouldn't affect the ejaculate, fluid or volume. So the bottom line is, you won't lose your manhood. There's no effect on your erections or your testosterone levels. And your sex life should probably be better than ever now that you don't have to worry about having any more of those darn kids. Thanks for watching UroCoach. Be sure to check out our other videos. Remember, we're your coach for a better life.